The Mould King 17070 Excavator Building Kit is a highly detailed construction set that includes 4,767 pieces, offering an engaging and challenging assembly experience. This excavator model features realistic elements such as a flexible mechanical arm and a rotating cabin, enhanced by 6 powerful motors for smooth operation. The kit is equipped with an innovative mobile application control system, allowing for remote operation via your smartphone, which adds a modern twist to traditional building sets. Constructed from high-quality, child-friendly ABS plastic, this kit is designed with safety in mind, ensuring a smooth and burr-free building experience. Ideal for adult collectors, the Mould King Excavator serves as both an impressive model to build and a striking decorative piece for any room. Compatible with other mainstream building blocks, this set provides versatility and the opportunity to expand your construction possibilities.